Hello everyone. Students, I am continuing the chapter what I have started in my last class, The Happy Prince. Students, this is a very important chapter, and when you will understand this chapter, then you will have the light of humanity, the light of good works, and light of good deed in your heart. And you will be able to understand the misery of the people, and you will think to solve the misery of the people. Students, poverty is not a curse, but if a person being able to remove the poverty is not doing anything for the people, then poverty become a curse. So in this chapter we have seen that a happy prince, who is a statue, is providing his all the jewelries and valuable things for the poor people, and doing this has made him blind. He has been blind by doing the charity. He has given the ruby to the poor person, seamstress. He has given his 2 eyes to the 2 poor person. One is the young writer and second is the girl, match girl. And now he is blind. So the bird, his helping hand, bird, swallow, is not ready to leave him. Even the bird is not able to bear the condition of the cold condition, the changing condition of the environment in that place, and he has to move to Egypt, where he can find the comfortable environment to live. He has to migrate, okay, but he is not ready to leave the prince. Here you can see, you are blind. Now he said, so I will stay with you always. No, little swallow, said the poor prince, you must go away to Egypt. No, I will stay with you always, said the swallow, and he slept at the prince's feet. Dear little swallow, you tell me so the prince accept the friendship and swallows stay with him, and then he says, the prince says that you tell me the marvelous things, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of men and women. So he requested swallow to tell the misery of the city, the poverty of the city, the difficult life of the people of the city. Okay, and the bird explains every detail. The bird flew over the city and explains every detail of the city, especially for the poor people, to the king, and then the king decides to help everyone. And the king says, I am covered with fine gold. You must take it off leaf by leaf and give it to poor. The living always think that gold can make them happy. Okay, so the prince advised the bird to take off the leaf of the gold and give it to the all poor person of the city. Leaf after leaf the fine gold swallow picked off till happy prince looked quite dull and grey. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold he brought to the poor, and the children's faces grew rosier, and they laughed, played, because they were finding some valuable things which can make their life comfortable. So here you can see the statement, we have bread now. That means they will sell the gold and they will have something to eat. Okay. Then snow came. It was the winter, snow came, then frost came, and this has made the life difficult. This has made the life of swallow difficult. Everyone in the man and woman and the children were in warm clothes, but the poor little swallow grew colder and colder, and finally he was about to die. He was about to die, and he knew that he is going to die. He had just enough strength to fly up the happy prince's shoulder. He reaches to the shoulder of the happy prince and says, "Goodbye, dear prince." He murmured. Murmured means speaking very feebly. Okay, speaking very slowly. He murmured, and he requested that, "Will you let me kiss your hand?" Then prince think that I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last. Little swallow, said the prince, you have stayed too long here, so you must kiss me on the lips, for I love you. It's not Egypt that I am going. I am going to the house of death. Death is the brother of sleep, is he not? And he kissed the happy prince on lips, and he fell down and dead. Okay, so he died. The the bird died while he kissed happy prince on lips, and suddenly he fall down and died. And at the same moment, at the same time, there was a crack sound inside of the prince statue. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. Actually, the leaden heart of the statue, the heart of the statue had been broken into two pieces, and it was actually happened at the death of swallow. Early next morning, the mayor and the councillor of the city were just moving into the city, and they found a statue of the happy prince, okay, and the dead bird at the leg of the statue, and they thought that this statue is looking very bad, not looking so beautiful. So this is like a black spot of the beauty of the city. So this statue should not be there, and the bird who is died here is not good for here. So this statue is looking like a beggar, and this bird who is died here should not be there. So they pulled out the statue. As he no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful. So the statue was pulled out, and the statue was melted in the furnace. And then what a strange thing. One strange thing found the observer, the workman who was just melting the statue in the furnace. The leaden heart, which was not melting in the furnace, so they throw it away, and they threw the leaden heart at the heap where the dead swallow was lying. The two things, the dead swallow and the leaden heart, was lying on the garbage. And same time, the messenger of the god said, "Bring me two most precious things in the city, to one of his angels." And the angel brought him the leaden heart and the dead bird. "Oh, you have chosen rightly," said God. "For my garden paradise, this little bird shall sing forever more, and my city of gold, the happy prince shall praise me. That means the bird will be in the paradise of God. Paradise is the garden of the God, and the happy prince will be the master of the city of gold. Okay, and this way this story ends. So students, this story indicates that we must be ready for the goodness of the people, and if we do some good things for the people, we will be praised by God and by the people of the place also. Okay, so with this goodness, I am just submitting this story. In the next class, I will give you the final detail of this story with a quick summary. Okay, till then you read this chapter. Have a nice day.